Alright, so you want to grab a small Ziploc bag. I believe I have a quart size bag. And pour 1 cup of half and half into that bag. Add 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And seal the bag firmly to get any excess air out. Next, you'll need a larger bag. I'm using a gallon-sized bag. Fill it about halfway with ice and 1/4 cup of salt. Place the small bag into the bag with ice and then seal the large bag. Shake the bag for about 6 minutes. Be careful because the salt makes the ice extra cold. Take the small bag out of the large bag and rinse the top of the seal. Mix the ice cream around to soften it up a bit. Scoop it out and enjoy.